Hey guys, so I just learned that my hacked Facebook page is looking like it's me posting again, but it is not me. I don't have access to my Facebook page. The hackers still have it. It looks like the hackers took down all of their spam and now they're taking images off of my Instagram and making it look like I'm posting onto Facebook. And it is absolutely not me. I will never be on Facebook again after this because Facebook is being no help. They're not shutting them down. They're not even helping me shut this down. And what really gives me anxiety is that 100,000 people still follow that page and they're making it look like it's me posting, and I can't even get on there to post in those posts on that page and say that it's hacked. So I need you guys to help me and get on that page and leave a review and say this has been hacked. He's not on Facebook anymore. They're making it look like me. They want to sell you stuff that, here's my concern, is that they're going to make content that looks like it's mine to sell to you guys, and it is absolutely not me. I don't want them spamming you. I don't want them scamming you. I am not on Facebook. I will never be on Facebook again. It is not me. Please unfollow and report that page and do what you can to warn others. Thank you so much.